Welcome to a very interesting video on C programming related to the for loop concept. Actually, this is output related problem. Most of the competitive exams related to C programming, they asked about the output of the given code. In this code, you have to find out the value of x and y. Okay, look at the last statement, printf x equals to percent d, y equals to percent d, x comma y. So you have to find out the value of x and y. You can pause the video and guess what may be the output. Okay, I'm starting the solution. It's actually quite tricky problem. One of my friend says that its value will be x equals to 5 and y equals to 5. His logic was that initial value of x and y both are 1, so middle at that portion, this portion, it is condition. When both condition remains true, loop will continue. When one of the condition will fail, means false, and another true, it will become false, so the loop will end. But actually this is not the right concept. Why this is not the right concept? If I can run the code, you can understand the answer which I already told you, it's not correct. Okay, see, look at this, it's coming 15 15. So what is the exact concept? We have to understand that concept here. For understanding this, I'm going to add another variable with it. Okay, third variable z I'm adding with it. Here is also, suppose z less than 10. Here is also z will be here, z, it will increment plus plus. Okay, here I have to add the z equal percent d x comma y comma z. Okay, run this and see, 11 11 10 is the answer. Okay, see that I forgot to assign the initial value of z here. Now look at this, run the code, answer is becoming 10 10 10. So what is this? Actually, exact concept is that in this code, just before this semicolon, whatever is written, that is considered as condition. Means here z less than 10 is the condition. How's this? Okay, initial value of x is 1, y1, z1. X less than 5, y less than 15, it doesn't matter. Okay, these two doesn't matter, these two doesn't have any contribution on the output. If I change this, okay, look at this, I'm changing this. Suppose from 5 I'm changing this to 30. Okay, now run the code, it will become again 10 10 10. No effect of these two on this code, no effect. It doesn't matter whatever it is written here, but it matters whatever is written here, because this is the condition. So until or unless z less than 10, the for loop will continue. So like this, initial 1 1 1 1 1 1, that then x plus plus y plus plus z plus plus. Okay, so it will become 2 2 and 2. I'm writing the value of x, y and z here. Okay, then it will become 3 3 3 like this. Okay, it will continue to increment until z less than 10. Okay, so when the value of x, y and z will become 10, 10 and 10. So in this case, z less than 10, this condition fails. So it will comes out of the loop and will print the value of x, y and z. You can say that the loop will continue 10 times. So it should print all the value of 1 to 10, but it's not printing. Why? Because look at this, here is semicolon. It is important. At the end of the for loop, here is semicolon. So after ending the for loop, it will go to the print statement and it will print the value of x, y and z. If I remove this semicolon, okay, if I remove this, okay, look at this, I already removed the semicolon here. Okay, now see, now what is the output? See, it is printing all the value of from 1 to 9, but it is not printing x equals to 10, y equals to 10, z equals to 10. Why? When the value of z will become 10, come to this, when the value of z will become 10 here, then condition fails, it will go out of the for loop. Now the for loop, this statement printf, this total statement under the for loop, but if I put the semicolon at the end of the for loop, this printf statement will be outside the for loop. Okay, whatever the printf statement will execute, it depends upon the for loop, but if I put one semicolon at the end of the for loop, it will not, the printf statement will not under the for loop. Okay, now I am come back to the initial problem. Actually this problem one was asked in the Veda IIT exam, in the mains exam of Veda IIT on digital designing domain. Okay, this was the problem. It was asked about the value of x and y. So exact value of x and y, that will be x equals to 15 and y equals to 15. Okay, here in this problem, this is the condition. Until or unless this condition true, the code will run. Okay, in the problem it was given 5. Okay, 5 exact problem, it was given 5, but it doesn't matter whatever is written here. It is written 5, 13, 15, everything, it will depends upon this y less than 15, this condition. Okay, run this problem and see the output x 15, y 15. Okay, thank you.